Hey, my name is Taylor Grant. I'm with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Mary of Arvada, Colorado writes us, my local agent assessed my pictures and agreed that the mold and water damage were two different incidents. He escalated the claim and tried to have the claim reopened, but after a full month, the response was if the damage couldn't be inspected, the claim would remain closed. I'm not as upset about the claim denial as I am the lack of service that I thought I was paying for. I always justified paying higher premiums for insurance company because if something big happened, they'd be there to help. The only thing they're good for is collecting your premiums. Prior to this incident, I had been this insurance company's customer for 25 years and had never made a single claim. This is how insurance company treats their lifelong customers, and I would encourage you to look for reviews with similar stories. And that's the thing. Before you purchase insurance, I would recommend you do your due diligence. I know nobody does. People are like, this is the price, it seems like a good price, I'll take that policy. This is the deal. There's nothing more expensive than a cheap insurance policy that doesn't pay. What? Yeah, that's true. There's nothing more expensive than a cheap insurance policy that doesn't pay claims when you need it. It's worth the extra $200 a year. Trust me when I say that. Have good insurance in place because when you need it, you want them to pay legitimate and fair claims, fairly for you as the consumer. I hear stories of people paying premiums for decades, never making a claim, to the same company, never making a claim, and then when they do, they don't get their claim paid. Or, more recently, I was working with a lady, and she didn't even know what was in her policy and the changes that have occurred. And the policy didn't cover the damage as much as it could have if she had a better policy in place. But this is the deal. Most people don't read their policies. Most people don't read the endorsements that come from the insurance carriers once, maybe twice a year, depending on the changes that are occurring, okay? And they just assume the policy that they bought originally is going to be the policy 10 years later. That is usually never the case. It's possible, but not highly likely. So if you get endorsements from the insurance company, that means a change. Endorsements means, hey, we're changing your policy. Look and read and make sure these changes don't affect you negatively, or if they do, can you buy out of that endorsement? Can you re-add the coverage that endorsement takes away for a premium? So I know it's tough. Insurance isn't sexy, isn't exciting, but this is the deal, is you must know what's in your policy. Otherwise, you're gonna get screwed when you need it most. And that's the worst time to figure out that you don't have what you need in the policy. The coverage, whatever it might be. So this is the deal. If you have a legitimate property insurance claim from a hailstorm, from a fire, whatever it might be, from wind, okay, contact us today. The sooner you contact us, the better we can help you. We can take the claim from the very beginning and navigate through the waters to get it to a happy and satisfactory resolution. We'd much rather do that than try to salvage a claim that has been ruined by somebody else. If it's another adjuster, if it's a contractor, if it's a property manager, whatever it might be, if you don't have the right person working on your claim, down the line, you're gonna know because it's not gonna be as satisfactory as it could be, okay? Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.